Numbers. We use them every day. But did you ever stop to think about which one is your favorite? Well, today on Wonderful Video Content, we're counting down my personal top 10 favorite one-digit numbers. Coming in at number 10, it's number 4. It's alright. 4 is fine. I like to use it when I have to, but other than that, it's pretty much the most boring one-digit number. It rhymes with door. That's about all I can say about it. So number 10 is number 4. Okay, coming in at number 9 is number 7. Seven is also pretty boring. In some cultures, it's seen as the lucky number, and it also rhymes with heaven, which is where all dogs go. But other than that, I'm not too big of a fan of 7. Coming in at number 8 is number 8. And 8 is fine. One of my favorite things about number 8 is that it's symmetrical both horizontally and vertically. And so, which opens up a lot of different possibilities for if you want to get creative for how you draw your 8. You can do 2 circles one at a time. You can do I guess they call it the figure 8 method, where you cross in the middle. And then you can also do the same thing, but starting from the bottom and crossing going upward. So there's lots of different possibilities with the number 8. But other than that, I think it's kind of just another boring number. So coming in at number 8 is number 8. Coming in at number 7 is the number 6. And there's a joke, in fact, about number 6, and it goes like, knock knock, who's there? And then the person says, why was 6 afraid of 7? Because 7 ain't 9. So that's a funny one. I like to tell that to my friends at work and my family. And so yeah, number 7 is number 6. Coming in at number 6 in my list of my top 10 countdown of one-digit numbers, coming in at number 6 is the number 9. Alright, we're in the last stretch here, number 5. Coming in at number 5 is number 1. And number 1 is a great number. It was, well, really it's the first number. And so that makes it pretty important. It's, you can't have, you have to start with just 1, and then you can have more than 1. Pretty much regardless of what it is you're counting, you have to start with 1. And then the other cool thing about the number 1 is that you can chant, "We're number 1," at a sporting event if you're rooting for your team. So I think that's pretty fun. So number 5 is number 1. Coming in at number 4 is the number 5, and my favorite 5 fact. There are a lot of 5 facts, but my favorite 5 fact is that if you're rounding a number, and the number that you start with is 5, you actually round that number up, even though it seems like it's right there in the middle. 5 is special in that it gets to round the number up. Okay, the number that I picked for number 3 needs no introduction. I'll just give you the song and you can figure it out. my reflection, dirty mirror, there's no connection to myself. That's right, it's Zero by the Smashing Pumpkins. And that's one of my favorite songs ever. I love that song a lot. Coming in at number 2 on my list is number 3. And 3 has always been a very special number for me. I was born on September 3rd, so that's my birthday, so 3 is pretty special for me because of that. I also find that if you go on most CDs, if you go to track 3, that's usually the good one. Not always, I guess. But 3. Number 2. Well, yeah, number 2 is 3. Number 2 on my countdown is the single digit number 3. Okay, before I want to reveal my number 1 favorite single digit number, I wanted to quickly acknowledge some honorable mentions. These are numbers that are near and dear to my heart, but didn't quite make the cut, mostly because they don't qualify because they have more than 1 digit. But I love numbers like 14 and 27 and 622 is a good one. So those are my honorable mentions for also very good numbers. Okay, guys, I won't make you wait any longer. So without further ado, my personal top number 1 favorite for the top 10 single-digit numbers countdown is number 2. And I picked number 2 for the simple yet powerful reason that number 2 is the only even prime number that you could find if you're looking for prime even numbers that are prime. Okay, so that's it. That's my list. Thank you for watching. Please let me know in the comments, what would your list look like? Do you agree? Do you disagree? If you were to create your own top 10 list of single-digit numbers, how does your list compare to mine? Let me know in the comments. As always, guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, click the bell. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell your dog, tell your grandma, tell your grandpa, tell the guy across the street that keeps shooting at you with an airsoft gun. And in the meanwhile, I will see you next time. Okay, peace. I love you, peace. I love you very much, peace.